The Amazon, the greatest rainforest on Earth. It is home for 1 in 10 of all species. It may look like a vast tropical paradise, but nothing could be further from the truth. This is a landscape that is as much water as wood. And each year, the two worlds collide when the forest fills with water. The Amazon is inconceivably vast. It covers an area of almost 3.5 million square kilometers. It is not a uniform landscape, but many, from lowland flood forest to upland forests on dry ground.